National Coconut Day, June 26th, by Vagabond Wine Guy. June 26th is National Coconut Day, and we have so much to celebrate. Coconuts, or buko, are an essential part of our everyday lives, from cooking to providing essential nutrients and flavor. They also have antiviral and antimicrobial properties. From shredded coconut to milk, cream, water, and oil, there's so much to explore and enjoy with coconuts. Let's celebrate National Coconuts. Let's celebrate National Coconut Day and have some fun with coconuts. Coconut oil alone falls into the superfood category due to its medium-chain triglyceride, MCTs, content and all that they seem to do. Whether supporting a weight loss program, moisturizing skin and hair, or metabolizing into energy, coconut oil plays a significant role in your body. Coconut is rich in fiber, vitamin B6, iron, and minerals like magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. The oil from coconut moisturizes our skin and also helps keep our skin clear and hair silky too. Of course, in the kitchen, we love coconut. Beyond baked goods, coconut infuses sweet flavor to our cooking. And because the MCTs in coconut oil doesn't absorb in the body as fat, it is an ideal alternative to other oils and fat. The flavor of coconut oil makes the best air-popped popcorn. Add coconut milk to your curry recipe and win rave reviews. Those who are lactose intolerant and craving ice cream know that coconut milk also makes an excellent substitute for creamy homemade ice cream. And of course, it's not summer without a pina colada. Beyond the fruit and water of the coconut that we consume as food, consumers also use the husk and shells as a potting medium, carbon filtration, charcoal, biofuel, and even organic cat litter. Another use for the husks is the production of coir, which manufacturers use in making mattresses, doormats, and more. So let's celebrate the simple but delicious coconut, also known as buko in the Philippines. I love buko pie. So Masarap, this video was brought to you by Palawan Perfection and its affiliates.